What in the world is Threads? Oh my goodness. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Berkshire. Thank you for checking out this video. If you enjoy the content that I put out, please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn the bell notification on, tell a friend, tell a family member, and let's get into this. Instagram Meta version of Twitter called Threads. They call it the Twitter killer. I don't know. There's a lot of people that are still going to be on Twitter and a lot of companies that are still going to use Twitter on a regular basis, but we know this is Mark Zuckerberg's version of Twitter. There's already over 30 million users on Threads already. This app has blown up just in a couple days. I've already made a few posts on it. I think it looks cool. I like the home base and the appearance of it all. I like how you can share it on your Instagram story, and I like how you can share it on other apps. But I will say that this is too many apps. We have a problem. We're getting on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. A lot of people get on Snapchat. We're getting on TikTok most of all. Oh my goodness. And then now we're going to add Twitter, and then we have Threads. It's too many apps. I just found out about Sprout Social thanks to my buddy Duncan. I never heard of this app, but apparently you can kind of post on all the apps from Sprout Social. Not sponsored. I literally just heard of this app. I'm going to check it out. But back to Threads. Threads seems pretty simple. It seems pretty cut and dry. It's just like Twitter. Photo quality is really good. Video quality is really good. Have no idea what the algorithm is like, and we have no idea how many people in our followers on a regular basis are going to be able to see what we're threading out there into the world. I've been posting a little bit just to try to see, like, testing it, see what comes from it, but so far I really do like it. So let's talk about why Threads is even a thing. Elon Musk and Zuck, they're obviously totally beefing, and before these guys even get in the ring, has Zuck already thrown the haymaker? Has he already thrown the final punch? And what I mean by that is, has Threads already shown us that this could be the nail in the coffin of Twitter? Twitter has already kind of been a mess for a lot of people who wanted to get off Twitter after Elon Musk bought it. He wants freedom of speech, and a lot of people have issues with, what comes along with freedom of speech and all that stuff. But Threads looks cool. Twitter is forever going to be a thing, I think. I don't see anyone just like fully transferring over to Threads from Twitter. Twitter is a culture impact app that everyone has been on, sports teams and celebrities, and a lot of people have gotten, when it comes to politics, and just a lot of people are on Twitter, but a lot of people don't like it since Elon Musk has taken over. So are all these people going to try to transfer over to Threads and not look back at Twitter? I don't believe so. I believe that everyone's still going to use Twitter. I believe everyone's still going to use Instagram. Everyone is still going to get on all of these apps every single day. So therefore, what really is the point of adding another one on? Will we decide to use Threads more than anything else and, slow the usage of these other apps? Or will we stay continuously opening up apps every day? Oh my gosh, I know I can't do it. It's so stressful, especially as a content creator, that I'm supposed to just post the same videos and photos on 5 different apps every single day or a couple times a week whenever I post, which I post quite a lot. So that's me opening up Threads and Twitter and Facebook and Instagram and my YouTube shorts and TikTok, and opening all these apps just to post the same kind of content. So where's the middle ground? Where can we just kind of like get some sort of awesome app? Somebody make it an awesome app where you can kind of just like post and have it post to all the apps, or where you can also just like scroll and see people's news feeds from all other apps. Like even at the top corner, it could be like, this was posted on Instagram, or this was posted on Twitter or Threads. Just one main hub would be so awesome, right? A main hub where you could see what people are sharing from all these different apps just on one timeline. Like, oh my gosh, opening and closing all these apps every day is getting absolutely bananas. What do you guys think the solution is? Tell me in the comments below. Appreciate you guys checking out this video and listening to me rant. What do you guys think Threads is going to turn into? It looks cool. I'm on it. We're all on it. I don't want to be left out. So follow me at my new Threads account, link below. But seriously, what in the world is going on with all these apps? Zuck and Elon are just beefing it out on our accord. It's crazy. You guys have a great night or day, whatever time it is you watch this video. And until the next one, peace.